Are you struggling with your Facebook ad campaigns? Maybe it is a situation where you launch an ad campaign and it was doing really well for a couple of months and then it suddenly stopped. Or maybe it is a situation where you can't even get the funnels or the landing pages or the campaigns work and you can't even get leads. That's what I want to help you with. I would like to invite you in my free workshop on November 23rd at 9 a.m. at the Chamber Hub. I want to give you an opportunity to learn the 6 strategies to getting and attracting high quality leads and prospects. These are the kinds of leads that are so ready to buy and don't mind paying the prices that you need to charge inside of your business. I'll go over everything you absolutely have to know in order to consistently produce results from your Facebook ad campaigns. It's everything I wish I'd had when I was just starting out. I'll show you what's inside Ads Manager and targeting, who you should be targeting first in your ads, and building different types of audience streams. I'll also discuss the importance of the pixel and how to set it up properly, build awareness on autopilot, and present you good ideas, great ideas on ad creatives and different copies that you can actually use for your ad campaigns. Plus, I will also show you how to build a campaign from start to finish. On top of all, what you're going to learn from the workshop is you also get an access to our private Facebook group where we will get a hands-on support from for your Facebook campaigns from me and my team. You will have the ability to have me look into your ad campaign and what you've been doing, what has been done, and look at the data and then advise on what you need to be doing to fix your ad campaigns. Because we all know that when you're too involved in a situation, it is very hard to overlook the mistakes you are making. That's what I want to give you. A foundational workshop and an expert team that you can tap into to ensure that you turn poor performing Facebook ads so you can scale your business. So once again, the free workshop is on November 23rd at 9 a.m. at the Chamber Hub. See you all there.